Stick around. You ain't gonna believe what all I get to see here. Well, hello again, friends. I have found another nature preserve in High Point, North Carolina, and it's got a cool visitor center. I'll show you a few things that they've got in there, but it's a little over 100 and some acres, and said they hosted about right at 11 miles worth of trails with connectors and stuff, not a solid one trail that is 11 miles, but right now we're pretty close to the highway, so I can hear them, but we're gonna see what we can find out here. Wow. I don't even eat mushrooms, but I love finding wild mushrooms. As you probably know by my videos, I'm always seeing shrooms out in the forest, in the trails, and up in the mountains. So that was pretty neat. Those were some of the biggest ones I've seen. Now, I'm not very good at identifying mushrooms, so if you know what they are, please let me know down below. I'm trying to learn. I do know what turkey tails are. I love turkey tails. I think they're the coolest looking. They look like a turkey tail, and I do know that they grow on down trees and that they basically consume the trees. So, okay, this is cool. This must be the outdoor classroom. It's always cool whenever you get to see some deer out. Anyway, it's a neat little set of trails here. Well, it turns out that I went down the wrong trail and connected halfway on the trail I wanted to do. So now we're going to do this, I think. Pretty sure we're going to. The outside school benches and stuff reminds me of the old Planet of the Apes movie. Show my age. It's good stuff though. I think we're on the right trail now. a neat little place. A lot of cool trails. Seen like 5 or 6 deer. Seen a bass jump in the pond or the lake after some dude had hung up and was cussing. It was pretty funny. We've all been there. But yeah, man, this is cool. There's some decent little inclines, but pretty much I would rate this easy to just a little bit moderate. For me, it's not bad, and it's man, it's a cool little walk right here beside the lake. I think that was 1.8 miles, I think. I'm gonna finish this one out, and I have walked, I think 5 of the trails, so roughly 2.5, maybe close to 3 miles. Not really sure. Probably did, because I did the big one halfway because I connected at the wrong place. Couldn't find the trailhead, so it happens. But I highly recommend this place if you're ever in High Point and want to get out and maybe see some nature. This is the place to come. All right, I guess I'm done. See you on the next one.